Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will want to show you how to download and install the TV Quick Action app on your Android TV even if you do not have Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you want to install the TV Quick Action app without Google Play Store, as you can see I do not have Google Play Store, but I'm going to use my browser. As long as your Android TV or your TV is an Android TV with an Android TV operating system, then your browser is going to help just the same. So go out to your browser search box, any browser is going to work, and just type in TV Quick Action app. Please, here's the application. TV Quick Action is one word. So here's the application here, and once you search, you're going to get results like this. So there are two options. There's the TV Quick Action, the free one, and there's the pro one. The pro one, you have to pay for it, but we're looking for the free one. Anyone that you want, by the way. So I'm going to go over to the first option here. Just click on it once. Once you click on it once on your browser, you're going to get the install button as you can see here. So what you have to do, just go over to this option here and click install. The application is going to start downloading just like any app is downloading from Google Play Store. Once it's done, you can go ahead now and install to your Android TV without any issues. As you can see, I use my browser for this. I do not have Google Play Store. Now, if that option doesn't work for some reason, they can go over here to the second option, which is a third-party site in which you can sideload the application. So this is an APK, you can install it also and it's still going to work just like the first option. But since I already used the first option already worked for me, I do not need the second option. So that's it about this video. If you like it, make sure to like, subscribe for more important videos like this.